It's always a horrifying feeling going to that cupboard where you keep your chickpeas and it's like, oh no, I don't have any chickpeas.
Yeah.
Hey, so hanging out with Gina Sunderland from Manitoba Chicken, and we are about to make a very delicious chicken and chickpea salad. So you've already got the ingredients all prepared, ready to go. What can I do to help?
Okay, well you can help me whisk up this absolutely delicious dressing. That's so easy. We're gonna start it out right in this bowl and then add everything to it, so less dishes to wash at the end. So we start out with about a cup of olive oil.
Okay.
And then we've got a 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice.
This is one of those salads that it's going to come together really beautifully. And so if you want to take a wonderful salad to a mediocre family gathering or a wonderful salad to an awesome family gathering, you know, everybody's different.
It's a nice hearty salad. It holds up beautifully. Leftovers are great too. If you are going to transport this to a gathering, then I would make the dressing in a separate container and just dress it on site. Yeah.
Got it.
So we've got a tablespoon of fresh lemon zest, which just adds so much flavor to this recipe.
Indeed,
and
it does.
Yes, and we've got 3 cloves of finely minced garlic.
I love you and your garlic.
Yeah.
You're not shy about the garlic.
Tastes good and is good for you. And we've got a teaspoon of each pepper, salt.
And then what's that last?
And then our last one is cumin.
Cumin.
Uh-huh.
There we are.
Yeah.
All right, that's already coming together
Yeah.
really nice.
And it smells great.
But for today's purposes and this moment in time, we are going to not separate the dressing. We're going to add in everything right now.
And just toss it all together. So we've got about 3 baby cucumbers, or you can use a large English cucumber. I love the pantry staple of using our chickpeas. So it's 1 can of chickpeas, about 2 cups drained and rinsed. And we've got a cup of our cherry or grape tomatoes cut in half. And we've got about 1/3 cup of red pepper. You can also use roasted red pepper if you happen to have that on hand.
Okay.
And something that's really nice about this recipe, we've got sort of the savory and the sweet. So we are adding about 5 chopped dates for that beautiful contrasting flavor, something just a little bit sweet.
Love this. And again, I'm not sure that there's anything dates, has ever touched that didn't make more spectacular.
So good, yeah, and I don't think we use them enough in our cooking. So this is just a beautiful way to use dates. And then we've got about 1/2 cup of feta. So chopped feta, and then of course we've got our superstar ingredient, 2 cups of cubed chicken. So this is our leftover roast chicken, another wonderful way to repurpose roast chicken. So,
and I mean, I've been known to roast specifically for a salad, a chicken breast or whatever,
me too.
but it's always, super awesome if you've got that little bit of extra kicking around.
And one of the great things, I like to always share this over and over again, is that you can actually freeze cooked chicken. So I love to either dice it or shred it, freeze it in 1 cup portions, and it keeps in your freezer for 3 months. And then simply take it out the night before and let it thaw in the fridge overnight.
I've learned a lot of things from you, and I'd say that that's probably one of the most valuable things is that you can actually,
Right,
freeze
it's just an amazing time-saving step. It's so great, to have that on hand, and then you can just whip together salads and other things that we've made together too, like the quesadillas, the warm potato salad. So we've got a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley here, and then
is that your mint? That is
a 1/4
mint.
cup of fresh mint. Oh, okay, yeah. I just love how colorful this is.
Yeah.
So I think for any kind of occasion, this is a delicious main dish salad, a wonderful day of, great for lunch the next day, and beautiful to bring places.
And I think that you had mentioned that you might want to keep the dressing separate, but I actually kind of like with these salads sometimes just letting it sit there for even a day or 2.
Yeah,
so I'm gonna give this
personal
little go
preference.
here.
Okay. Okay.
The mint, the lemon, the chicken.
Of course.
This is spectacular. You absolutely have to try this and tell us what you think. Find the recipe below. Give it a go.